Hello Simply Fanatics and welcome to this week's workout of the week. I've got a really fun for you this week. We're doing hop over burpees, then we're doing a goblet squat with a curl, tricep dips, the one I showed you guys on Monday, and then a switch lunge with a knee up. The equipment you'll be needed today is one pair of dumbbells. I'm using 5 kilogram dumbbells. You can do whatever suits your current fitness level. And I'm just adding a medicine ball, a 3 kg medicine ball. If you've got one, that's great. If you don't really need it. I just like adding it. And a step or a chair or a bench or even on the floor, just where we're going to do our tricep dips from. And I've got my interval timer to see how long it takes. Today I'm only going to be doing 2 rounds of this. I've got a little bit of a throat infection, so I just don't want to, aggravate it any further. So I'm going to set my timer. I'm going to go straight into it, and then let's see what we can do today. The first one is a hop over with a burpee. We're going to do that 10 times. So you have a dumbbell right next to you if you can. Take power up with your legs, jump over. Grab your weights. Goblet squat. Toes pointing straight ahead. Back straight. All the way down. Curl it up. 1, 2, 3, 4. Weight is in your heels. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Put your legs down. Grab your bench or chair. Make sure it's secure. Fingers are facing forward. Lift yourself off the bench. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, and 20. Well done. Switch lunge with the knee up. Get into your lunge position. Power up with the legs. Switch. Knee. 1. Balance. 2. 3. 4. 5. 6. Let's try another one. Put your dumbbell in the middle. Ten burpee jumps. One. Two. Three. Four. Five. Six. Seven. 8. 2 more. 1. 10. Awesome. Grab the dumbbells. And squats again. Toes are pointing forward. Shoulders are back. Breathe. Down. And cool. 1. 2. 3. 4. Keep your weight in your heels. 5. Back straight. 6. 7. 8. Tummy tight. Remember to breathe. 10. Down your weights. Grab your step, your bench. Back to dips. Fingers are facing forward. Lift your bum. Extend one leg. 1. 2. 3. 4. 5. 6. 7. 8. 9. 10. 11. 12. 13. 14. 15. 16. It's burning. 17. 18. 19. 20. Yikes. Last one. Switch lunge with the knee up. Into your lunge position. Balance. Power up. 1. 2. 3. 4. 5. 6. 7. 8. 9. 10. Awesome stuff. The 2 rounds took me 8 minutes and 30 seconds. 8 minutes, 30 seconds. So if you were to do 3 rounds, you could do this in 12 minutes. Now, your beginners out there, let me show you what you do. You don't need any weights, don't need any medicine balls for the burpees. You just do normal, standard, easy burpees. Crouch down, step back. If you need to go, you need to do so. Do a push-up. Come up, try to jump forward, and jump up. So you do straight skin of those. For the goblet squats and a curl, If you have light dumbbells for 2 kg or 3 kg, use it. Otherwise, just do deep squats. Hands in front of you, toes pointing straight ahead. Push your bum back, squat, squeeze up, squat, and up. For 10 times. For the dips, if you have a bench or stair, same thing, fingers facing forward. The closer your feet is in, the easier it's going to be. So your feet are as close, it's easier. Try to keep your back as close to the bench as you can. And don't go so low, you can just do this once. The more comfortable the further you step out, you go further down. You can even do them if you're very comfortable, very strong, with your legs straight. Or you can try the one-legged tricep dip. And then 20 dips, hey? And the last move is just switch lunge with a kick up. If you're uncomfortable with the jump, all you do is lunge back, knee up. Lunge back, knee up. Okay, you take it slow if you're in a lunge position. Try if you can switch. If the knee up is a bit too challenging for your balance, just switch and switch. And that's it. It's a very short workout today. So push at your hardest. To aim for as many rounds as you can in 12 minutes. Do the modifications when you need to. Rest when you need to. Drink water. Remember to breathe. Remember your form and technique. Let me know what you did. Like it, share it, tweet it. And check in next week for the next power workout.